Harley, you want some peanut butter? Mmm. Mmm. Look at that. That's so good. Being a good bird. Look how good that peanut butter is. You love peanut butter, don't you? Hmm? You like it? Mmm. You need some water, huh? Don't eat it all. Save some for your sister. You know Marley's gonna eat it. All right. All right, Marley, let's have some. Come on. There you go. Now she pigs out. She's a pig. Mrs. Pocahontas. Smaller bird, but she just loves her peanut butter. Look at that. Mmm, so good. You had enough? Hmm? You want more? Wow, you are a pig. You're gonna finish it, aren't you? Mmm. Good bird. All right, that's enough. It's probably too much.